Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find device care. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on app protection right here, and then scan phone. And as you can see, your device will right now scan itself, will scan all of the apps in order to find any kind of malware or viruses. Just give it a time. After the full scanning operation, your device will show you the information, either that everything is okay and you don't have to worry, or that it found some problems. It will of course notify you about them and show you some kind of options to get rid of them. As you can see, in my case, no threats has been found. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.